Hi guys, and welcome back to Shitcoins of the Week. That's right, where we take this week's action and I put it into one fully condensed video. This is going to be the last one of this year actually, because we're up to December 31st of 2021. Tomorrow will be 2022. Interesting. Just another day for me though. Another day gains. So, we're going to go through first Bayonet Smart Chain, then we're going to move into some stuff on Harmony 1, and we're going to end up on Phantom. I'm going to go a little bit of a look through the Phantom ecosystem at the end, just to let you know what I'm doing over there, because I'm expecting a massive pump incoming, that's right. But after that, we will be doing Drip Roulette, where I will be giving away Drip to 2 lucky people plus 1 NFT, just like last week, for the Drip Team 2, and we also will be talking about the insanely big drip airdrop we'll be doing for Drip Team 1 on Sunday. We're looking about 250 drip, which is going to be over $20,000. That's right, we're now airdropping about $20,000 a week to Team 1. Nuts. Can't believe the power of this platform. It just keeps getting better. Looking first, Manor Farm on this is really exciting because the date is kind of set. It still hasn't been changed that I know of. The audit has come in for Manor Farm, the farm that is being co-created and pushed by the creator of Drip, Forex Shark, and we do have the garden which is running. What do I have here? 27 LP, it's a day's worth of farming here, $800. What am I going to do? I'm going to compound that today. Compound. I did take out that $7,000 worth of gains from last week, which was nice, and I'm just kind of keeping it here. I've got 226 LP tokens here ready for when the farm launches. I also have some Rev token, which I bought in the pre-sale. Talking about Rev token, so that's that compounded. If we do come to pre-sale here, there's one more pre-sale left for Manor Farm. Private sale is limited to members in the R34P DAO. Total raise, private sale of 1 million BUSD, 20% under listing, which is sold out. And then the public sale, 500,000 BUSD, 10% under listing. There's one more public sale left, which is going to be on the Animal Farm Telegram group. I actually got in here. I have a 123.33 pre-rev here, ready to swap into rev for the beginning of the farm too. So excited for this. The first thing we'll be doing is going straight into the farm section and pairing up that drip with BUSD, and also getting into probably the pool section and putting my rev token straight bang in there. That's what I'll be doing. This first layer, so layered farming system, right? We're going to talk a little bit about this because I have a theory, right? Layer 1, Manor Farm lasts for 2 weeks, okay? Then layer 2 begins. One thing I'm curious about is I've never seen a layered farm actually succeed. You know, we had Poly yelled over on Polygon. It didn't work out. We had Poly wants a cracker on Polygon, and then they went to Stadium Arcadium. Layer 2, that didn't exactly work out. I think they went to layer 3 after that, maybe layer 4. So if there's anyone that I know of that's actually going to be able to crack the layered system and make it profitable for us, it's going to be Forex Shark. So I'm not going to hedge my bets against them. I'm going to go hell for leather on this. But one thing I do know, if we do look at what happened with these other layered farms, the price of the layer 1 token goes insane, and that means probably this rev token is going to go up massively. So I will not be selling this. I might take profits near the end when we're getting into like the couple days before the launch of layer 2. Then I'll consider taking profits because I think it's going to moon then. Probably start, dip, and then moon is my expectation for it. I'm just going to farm my way through, acquire as much of this as possible, and I expect Drip to do exactly the same thing. After the launch of the farm, it's going to go down a little bit again, and then before layer 2, it's going to moon again, and it's going to reach its all-time high once again. Speaking of all-time highs, let's have a look at Drip. I told you so. We told you so. We told you this was going to happen. Drip, what we got today? $88. Look at this, $88. Amazing performance. Once again, you can get onto CoinGecko. You can go to Drip, right? It's been red. Everything's been red for ages and days and days and days. Drip's just continuing to pump. It's the only token I've known that, apart from Polydodge, in this kind of market that's pumping like this. 13% up today. Look at the 14-day. We've been doing this. Look at that, amazing, right? This was the hype before the garden launch. Of course, we've got the decline after the garden launched. That's what happens always. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Now we're selling the news again. Now we're buying the rumor again. We'll sell the news after the farm launches again in 5 days. So I expect this to keep going up for 5 days. Way over $100 is what we're going to get for drip now. Coming to some interesting facts about drip, right? Come down here to supply, right? The lower the supply gets, here, 37,000 supply, the lower that this gets, the higher the price of drip. So for example, at $60,000, the price of drip was, at 60,000 supply, the price was about $50. So at about 30,000 supply, the price is going to be about $100 per drip. That means by 15,000 supply, we're going to be getting up to about $400, maybe $300 per drip. The lower that this supply goes, the higher the price of drip. Until we get to about 5,000 supply, we're talking about $1,000 drip token. That's exactly what Forex Shark talked about before in one of his messages and in one of his group chats, that his aim is to get drip to being $1,000 token. Not even $100, $1,000. That's another 10x from where we are. So Team 1, like I'm saying, we're going to be airdropping something amazing on Sunday, right? New year, new amazing airdrop. This will be the last airdrop of this round, so it will be going to high rollers. It will be going to team builders. If you have one referral under you, like here I have 563 referrals. If you have one, you're eligible for it. Or if you have 1,000 deposits net positive in your deposited drip balance, then you're good too. By net positive, I mean that if you have claimed more than you have deposited, if you've claimed more, sold more than you've hydrated or airdropped or deposited, then maybe you're going to be net negative. Let me show you. For example, I take my wallet, right? You can do this, anyone can do this. We come in here, we go to player lookup. I put my wallet in here, go. We can compare here, right? So my team's the same, but my net deposits are 5,296. But actually, I've got 6,550. That's because that 1,000 around about there is what I've claimed since I've opened this account. From airdropping and hydrating, I've managed to boost that back up. So now I am net positive. You need to be net positive to be able to turn up in the search function. So you might have, 1,000 drip or 100 drip to be in the tiers, but if you are draining the contract more than hydrating and airdropping to other people to encourage more people to join the platform, then you will be punished by the system and not received the airdrop, because you won't even be in the algorithm when you're looked up, because you'll actually be net negative. So some word of advice, take your wallet, right, put it through the search function, have a check and have a look and see what's going on with that. Right, so $580,000 in the team wallet. Jesus. We have at the moment $10,000. We have another 2 days of churning this up, so it's going to easily get up to 250 drip, because I'm getting about 65 drip a day, 65, 125. Yeah, easy, we're breaking that. So it's going to be 250 drip going down on Sunday to team builders. If the price stays the same as it is, yeah, that's going to be over $20,000, probably $25,000 being sent down to you guys. This is fantastic. Important thing of note is after this, I will be shaking up the airdrop tiers a little bit as we're moving into the new year. Probably increasing some tiers, not by much, just by a little bit, just to make it sure that everyone is hydrating and team building as they should be. In particular, the team builder airdrop, I'm going to make it a little bit more demanding. For next time round, it's going to be more than one. And the high roller, probably going to be bumping that up as well. Just word of warning. I've been saying it for a while, but when it does happen, someone's going to say, "You never said that." But I did. I've said it again. So hydrate, deposit more, buy more drip. But we'll come back to that on Sunday, because what we're doing today is the roulette team, which is growing nicely, nice and steady. 231 drip in here. We have 6 here. I'm going to be airdropping again, 20 drip down to everyone. 15 drip to the winner and 5 drip to second place. And the winner is also going to be getting a nice Polydoge NFT. That's right. Do you like Polydoge? You better, because you're getting an NFT. We'll do that at the end of the video. Coming in to look at some more things. Okay, let's talk about JADE. So, It's like people are trying to shake out the worst of the Jade holders or something. It's a ridiculous joke at the moment, okay? So this is a fake tweet that was put up yesterday saying, it's official, we're done with this shit. We're pulling liquidity on the 31st. Get out before then or be left holding your bags, you bunch of dicks. And of course this was fake, but like I found this in my Telegram chat. Get in here, by the way, it's free. Get in and chat with everyone, it's kind of fun. But also, if we come to Twitter, we have another guy here, Wendell Lambo, great name. I finally cracked, woke up and sold everything. Fuck these guys. These last 2 months have been a living nightmare. Lost 95%. No way this is legit. VC's my arse. Yeah, pointing at all these guys, to Jade Protocol, to Smartcoin, because Smarter Coin was before Jade. It's by the same dev team. As you can see, their chart's not very good. It's 3 month chart from 0.16 all the way down to nothing, yeah. So we're coming to CoinGecko today. What? 219% pump on this bad boy. I don't know what to think about Jade. I haven't sold mine actually. Let's go to Jade. So, if you were watching last coin's shitcoin, yeah, last week's shitcoin of the weeks, then you'd see that I got an airdrop from them for not selling for a week or something. I got $30. I bonded that, so now I can claim that 0.6 Jade, which I spent $30 for. Okay, I know this is small fry, but you got to think about this, right? I spent $30 on that and I got 0.6 Jade. So if we come here now and I check, it's $33. So they're actually, the bonding idea and DCAing and waiting around, actually hodling that, did actually pay out for me. So I have up to $200. It was, what, $50 last week or $80 when we're looking at that. So that's good. It has gone up. Let's stake some more then, I guess. Stake more Jade. I don't think they're actually paying out any kind of staking percentage right now. I don't know what's happening with Jade Protocol. I'm just going to continue to hold it and hope that it goes back to what it was before. I give up sometimes with the Smarter team because they just continually change the goalposts. I should have just sold it when it was $800. I didn't sell it. I did take profit. This is a moon bag, so it's good. I'm not that annoyed by it. If you could tell me what's going on with these guys, like I could. If I wanted to, let's do it. We can check Twitter, right? I just hate them. I hate them so much. You know, I don't want to have to continually check Twitter to see what they're doing now. Well, what are they doing now? Jade's warpath to $1,000 price floor has been released. They've goddamn done it again. Our utility roadmap has arrived. 2 hours ago, that's what pumped the price. Jade price, $18. Not anymore. How low will Jade go? Wouldn't it be great if we knew the answer to that question? But if there was a precise dollar amount, it couldn't fall below, and what if that number was publicly known? Here's the thing, at one point we had a backed price of Jade on our homepage. News alert, that number was bullshit. And it's bullshit for all Ohm forks. Interesting. Here's proof. What do you think happens when the price of Ohm hits that price? The answer? Nothing. Most people don't know this. Most think that the protocol initiates a buyback to maintain that price, but it's false. Straight from OhmDAO's Gitbook. Because the treasury backs every Ohm with at least one DAI, the protocol would buy back and burn Ohm when it reaches below one DAI. The buyback price of Olympus-style DAOs is one DAI. This begs the question, why would Ohm trade at 350x above the back price? Why would Time trade it at 3650x of the back price? Because people falsely believe that the back-end price is the lowest the coin can go. So they did an experiment. They removed back price information from Jade website and the price quickly dipped below it. It was fascinating to watch. Psychologically, just seeing a back price on the homepage increased the odds of the token trading above it, even though the back price doesn't actually mean anything. The masses that invested protocols like Time and Ohm are in for a rude awakening once this information becomes common knowledge. Ooh, they're fudding all the guys that they forked. This is tasty. What if there was a mechanism where the backed price increased over time and it actually meant the token could not fall below it? And how would we do it with a decentralized VC fund that rewards its users without the legal risk of Jade being labeled a security, thus alienating entire countries from participating? Cutting a long story short, they've made a new army called the Alpha Army. They are saying that they're going to 1000x Jade now. So if they do 1000x Jade now, then, you know, that'd be great. If I took my tiny bag now at the moment of $238 and we got a 1000x on that, you know, I'm sitting at $238,000 for my Jade if we get that 1000X. So I won't sell it right now. I'm just going to ride this crazy train until it crashes and burns in a million pieces. So you can read this if you want. You can find it on their Medium. I hate these guys. I hate them so much. Next project. So here we have BUSD machine going very well, up to 9.6 cents now for the BUSD machine price. I did say in my last video that if we reach 10 cents, I'm going to do another giveaway, and I am. More news on that when it does happen, probably tomorrow, because this is ticking along very nicely. I'm getting nice amount of referrals from this. Is another $17. And you know, the longer you put this off, guys, the more this price is going to keep going up. Now, if I sold all of my tokens, 463, we would be $44. You know, last week when we made this video, it was about $10. It has already just keeps going up. Yeah. Still, I have $427 staked in here, so it's a long way still before I can get my, you know, my fair amount back from this. But we're going to keep raising this up. Checking out the contract balance. We have $92,000, almost breaking $100,000 into BUSD machine now, growing nice and slowly and steadily. The FOMO still is not kicked in, so you might want to be checking out this one once it gets, or now actually, probably, maybe not financial advice. Of course, this is called shitcoins of the week, so none of this is financial advice. Heading into Harmony 1. So this week I've done videos on Charge DeFi, I've done videos on Bomb Money, and of course I've done videos on Toon Finance. This is UShare, this is Unite Finance, which is a Toon fork on the Harmony blockchain. I went into this yesterday with about $900. As you can see, I've already gone up about $300 overnight, which is good to see. We have a lovely juicy 12% daily on this pool right here. As you can imagine, it works just similar to most Toon forks. Let's have a quick tour of the website. The Unite token should be on peg with 1. At the moment, it's way above peg at 15 per 1, so that should be coming down. The UShare token is $1,500 per UShare token. That's extremely high. I would say it's going to come down, but I'm auto-compounding that at 13% daily, so you should offset the dump that's eventually going to happen with this. But looking pretty good so far. $3.3 million locked, so still no one's really aped into this yet. The team is doing very well with their doc section because they made a pretty juicy roadmap. We'll have a look at that soon. You can farm with liquidity with Unite in 1 or UShare in 1, or you can go into their boardroom where you could stake your UShare and get paid out in Unite token. It's also a good tactic to do, but I decided to just auto-compound this in the auto-compounding section because it means that I don't have to spend too much time taking care of it because I do have a lot of other things to take care of. So we've just got under $1 million in TVL in this. Nice to see too. So let's go into their docs. I'm going to show you what I find interesting about this project, why I think it might be a winner. So looking at the roadmap, these are the things that I like. Run their Harmony validator, which would require 10,001. Which means they will be able to validate a node on Harmony, which will help out massively and also offer them possibly the ability to stake the 1 token and get 1 token back through their UI. And next year, their plan is to shift to a community-governed project where all contracts will be owned by a DAO. Project decisions will be decided upon by protocol participants. And in late 2022, they want to make a Unite chain, a blockchain with Unite as the central currency. So this could be a huge, huge gamble, which it obviously is because it's another Toon fork. But if they can pull this off, it would be the obvious winner of all this. So at the moment on Harmony 1, I'm in DeFi Kingdoms, I'm on Viper Swap and WagMe, with Euphoria.money. It's the only 3 I'm in, so this is now the 4th project that I'm interested in on Harmony. That's it so far. 4 is enough. Maybe no more ever. Probably 1 more. Just 1 more. Okay, popping over to Phantom. Phantom were on such a nice pump just before this crash on Bitcoin just after Christmas. Look at this lovely pump all the way back up to just $2, almost $2.50. And then that crash and it started to have another bit of a downtrend. As soon as Bitcoin decides to start going up again, this is going to absolutely rip. So heading into Toon Finance, we're seeing that Toon is steadily above peg now, as last week we were not so high above peg. Now we've just been up peg for a week, I think, and we're back to full printing of the masonry. With that, the price of T-share has recovered to its mighty price of $16,000. all good there. So, you know, with Tomb, what do? We just harvest our gains. We come in here, grab these gains. What we got? $80. Thank you very much. I can't believe how long Tomb has just continued to print for us. Ah, it's such a beautiful thing. We head into the masonry. What do we have? 145 Tomb, $300. Back to full bore, full print here. Great. I love it when Tomb's at full print. It's just great. 308. That's $400 a day. Just coming straight out of Tomb all the time, every day. Bang on, bang on, bang on. So, you know, what do? We take this T-share. I've almost got $20,000 of T-share locked in this wallet now. And we just keep locking that up. And I will take this 145 Tomb. And today we are taking profits. That's right. So into Spooky Swap we go. It's profit time. Always take profits when you need to, right? Very important. So just cash out all for stables, and I'll put that into my war chest. So I'm going to keep these with my other stables in Geist, throw it in there, and just wait for some other hell of a dump where I'll just be buying back more T-share or buying back more Phantom at a cheaper price. That's what you do. But you know, tomorrow I will be compounding that straight back into the protocol. Probably the next day I'm going to be taking profit again, because I think that things are going to tick bullish pretty soon. Yeah, so it's always important to compound, but also if things do fall to shit, I want to make sure that I've got, you know, nice bags of profit taken out of all this hard work. So here's something that I've been doing. I haven't mentioned this ever before on any video, and we're going to have a look at it now because I feel like it's about time. Let me just head to the right wallet here. Okay. DeFi swap on Phantom, right? Interesting place. I put in, what did I put in here? Yeah, I put Phantom and Tomb in here, because what else? So this is Phantom and Tomb. I just sat this in here. It was about $2,000 still of Phantom and Tomb. It was about $1,000. It was about $1,000 because I put this in weeks ago, and I've just been sitting in here. The price of DeFi token was 0.8. Now it's 0.5, so it's gone down slightly, but doing quite well for a reward token, especially on something that is not so well known. At the moment, I'm just harvesting the token, selling it back into Phantom, and paying off the loan that I took out to actually borrow this Phantom Tomb, which was about $1,000 worth of a loan that I did take out. So we can come in here to exchange, go into the homepage. So in this farm, we have $2 million value locked. It's really going under the radar, earning passive income with DeFi farms. DeFi of the people, by the people, for the people. So it's low risk by RuckDoc. There are no taxes for getting into this farm. That's why I kind of was interested in going into it. And it even has its own exchange, which is pretty snazzy, actually. Lots going on here. They have a pool section. You can see here the price of DeFi has been steady decline since launch, but so has most of the Phantom network since it did launch in December, and it's not been the best time. December is not the best time for Phantom. It was the time to consolidate, and that's what I've been doing, and experiment also. So not bad. They also have a pool where you can manually stake the DeFi token. So, you know, all good there. I mean, I hope that they can get a little bit more expansion and more utility out of this farm in the future, but I do like the fact that there are no fees on it, because that means it's actually going to hopefully be a stand-up project in the future. There is a fee on selling the DeFi token, so we usually have to put on a bit of slippage on it. So take that, for example, 121. Yeah, we've got to put 7% slippage on that. It's mighty slippage. But yeah, sell that, get 28 Phantoms, then go into Geist and start slowly paying off the loan that I took out to get that Tomb and Phantom. All right, let's start fanning around. Let's get down to drip. So 20 drip being airdropped to the drip roulette team. What do we have? We have 72 directs. Let's use my address for the team airdrop, and let's find everyone first. None, team death 1, master 1. Okay, let's run that first while I show you actually what I'm looking for. So the winner of today's drip roulette is going to also be getting this fantastic Polydoge card. Yeah, Polydoge card from the Polydoge game. Because look at this, you know, just in celebration of the fact that Polydoge is still pumping. That's right, 13% today. We were talking about how it was pumping yesterday too. Look at this 180-day chart. Where do you think we're going? Look at that. We're breaking all-time high. Not today, of course, that would be an insane pump, but pretty goddamn soon we are breaking that all-time high. We're gonna smash that. That's a really strong chart there. Lovely. Look how we were going just before Bitcoin dumped. We were going up. We were going places, and we will still. You know why? Polydoge Pets, that's why. If you don't know about Polydoge Pets, gotta research that fast as possible. But yeah, this card will be going to the winner of Drip Roulette. We've got 72 in here ready to spin for the first winner, second prize of 5 drip. Let's go. Number 61. All right. Who we got there? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Number 61 over here with 1.2 drip. Well done. You've just won yourself 5 drips. That's right. And 5 drip doesn't sound like much. That's almost $500, friend. Now, for 150 drip. That's right. That's lots of money. For 15 drip. Yeah, about $1,400, something like that. And this beautiful Polydoge Pets NFT. Now, before we spin, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. You know, I spend a lot of time making these videos and thinking about crypto. I hope you enjoy this wealth of knowledge that I've dropped on you. Hope you found something that's going to make you a massive gain. And I hope that the year 2022 is going to be the year where you break bank, get those insane gains, or if you just want happiness, you get that happiness that you truly deserve. From me to you, happy new fucking year. That's right. Let's spin it. Number 1, winning 15 drip. Go. Ah. 72. What the fuck? That means the last guy that just joined, he was the one that won this? No way. No way. Is that true? And you know that's not rigged, because that's all one solid shot there from number 2 all the way to number 3. I even banged my knee. That's just the luck of this random spinning machine. Yeah. 72. Wallet 72. Well done. You've just won yourself Polydoge NFT and 15 drip. 15 drip. $1,000 something, $1,400, $1,350. Jesus, it's a lot of money. Congratulations. New Year, everyone. Happy New Year. Let's get ready for Manor Farm. It's going to be amazing. I'm really, really excited for it. Don't get wrecked.